Hey, it's Kevin back on working on this this Pulsar. I got some speakers to install, but first order of business, gotta swap my doors over, and I got brake pads to do. Got so much to do, but first off, gotta start taking this door apart. Got the door card off. Notice this screw is missing. I found it. It was tucked up in down there, so I wonder if someone's been in here before, or because, well, that's probably why that one wasn't working. That's fucked. That's the reason that speaker wasn't working. It wasn't plugged in. Wasn't plugged in. Peeled the plastic off. You know, just go stick that somewhere. Handle to wind this down. Probably about there somewhere. Now I've got to remove the harness. Got the door harness removed. It's just a 10mm on a connector. Just chuck that over there at the moment. Now, next thing is, I suppose I'll get the mirror off so I don't damage it. Then I'll get the window off, maybe out, and probably out, and let's start with that mirror. So I got that mirror off. Next is glass. Got some wedges in it so it doesn't move. Oh, you never want to take an impact with any type of glass mounting. It's just going to be shit fun. You know, because you impact, you'll break it, and crank wheel and just go down. Yeah, it's off. Now, let's see if I can just wiggle this glass out. I got the glass out by just twisting and then pulling out, and I just got it sitting up there. Next, I suppose window winder has to come out. So what I've just done is remove the door lock / actuator / mechanism. Just sitting it over there. You're going to get this key barrel out, door handle, key barrel, and the door is basically stripped. Doors all stripped, lock barrels out, just taped up the edges so I don't damage them. Okay. Take it out, put it on a table and clean it out. Got the door off. It's a bit hard to do it one person, you know, but got it off. Got it up over here on the table. In the light, you can see just how filthy this door is. So I spent some time cleaning it out. Look at that, look at all that ganja. So I've just cleaned out this in here. Yeah, I could clean out the other side at some point, but that is a lot of pine leaves and whatever fucking got down there, and dirt and just composts, and yeah, make sure you clean those out, otherwise these corners will rust out on you, you know, so don't want it to rust out. So now I gotta work on this one. I'm getting its door off. A little bit more involved since it's power windows and has a speaker in it already. So I got this door stripped completely. Took the mirror off and I found some rust there. It's like I'm gonna have to treat that somehow. But good thing I found the rust on the door off my good car and putting it on this car. All stripped out. Just gotta unbolt the hinges, bolt it up, and start reassembling this door. And we'll go from there. I've reassembled most of this door, put the speaker in. Now, on these, they come 3 bolts from factory, but it's because these Pioneer speakers don't exactly line up with that. You put the top factory bolt in, and you put 2 tech screws in. That's gonna have to leave it at the moment because I'm waiting for my rust repair to cure, so I can put some white paint over that. Put the mirror back on. Got the door back together. Gotta start focusing on this one, putting this door on. But at the moment, that is together as it's going to get until I get that mirror to paint to dry. But it goes on nice. You know, you just got to be careful with making sure all your door lock mechanisms work. So I made sure all that works properly. Make sure the window goes up and down effortlessly by adding some silicone spray down the channels. So yeah, I got that door and I had to wait a while for that paint to dry. I just quickly did this other speaker. There's not much room here to actually film. Doing these rears, already done that one. So I had to just pull both sides off, pop this off. I made sure I marked out where the speakers holes are, so I can drill them out. You know, these buggers are just tucked in here. You just pull them out. Just gonna cut it, put a joiner on it, put it in. Yeah. So I've also had to change the rear muffler. I just changed it because I had some rushed holes. Thankfully, I had my old muffler off that one, so it's got no rust holes in it. But see how it goes with that. Yeah, I'll put that door back on. You know, we got Pioneer. What are we at? The Pioneer 6.5 inch. It's like $65 normally. Get them on special for like 55. And then remember, you have credit, and then you get them cheaper. So $100 for 4 speakers. Got the same in this one, and they actually do pretty good. You know, I'm like debating on whether I'd go, you know, because I've got a pair of Sony something 3-way 6.5 inch ones in a single cab ute, and it's kind of how you going because it's only the front 2 speakers I've got, and it's got no rear speakers in it. I've got to put rear speakers in it somehow, but these actually sound pretty good. Got pretty good bass to them too. You know, better than the factory ones. What? This would be almost 30-year-old speakers in this one, and yeah, almost 30. So out of the 4 speakers, I only got 3 what sort of work. So for testing purposes, just trying to make this work nicely. So this is going to be the end of the video. I've reinstalled all that, did a quick sound check of everything, and everything's working good. I'm facing that way. I just blew this fucking out a bit, and oh fuck me, I gotta clean the car out. It's, yeah, the amount of shit what was decomposing there was ridiculous. Okay, yeah, that's it for this video. I'm trying to post regularly enough, but I was sick last couple of weeks, so sorry for the delay between videos. I'll try and get one a week out.